Well, welcome back to the appliance repair channel. My Samsung dishwasher bit the dust, seems like ages ago, and condition was no power to the control board or the user interface. The recommended course of action was to replace the control panel, which I did. No improvement at all. The next step was suggested that I control or replace the user interface board. Also, no effect whatsoever. The third and perhaps the more difficult item to replace on the checklist was this little thermistor. It goes underneath the machine and have to pull the machine out, take the bottom off and dig it out. Alright, now the question is it bad or is it not bad? I've already replaced two parts and they're not cheap. So I decided I would check it out with my multimeter. And I believe, that's an important thing here, I said I believe, that I checked it, it was open. Now there's supposed to be a certain resistance on that. I also read somewhere that you could reset them by tapping them on a hard surface. I did that and came back and took another reading and it tested good. Okay, you always question, is that first test a good one or is it not? What to do? Now, a lot of people would have put the old one back in, tried it out. But seeing that it failed once, what's to prevent it from failing a second time? So I went out and bought a new one. That's a saga unto itself. But I did get this one yesterday. And I'm going to put it in today, and this is going to be the last thing I'm going to replace on this baby before heading down to the store to buy a new dishwasher. I did test this one and compared it to the resistance of the old one, and they are comparable. So we'll see. Was the old one bad? Was the old one not bad? Could it have been replaced? I don't know. But here we go. And now for the final test. If I press this button and it lights up, I have success.